Fastems are world leaders in manufacturing automation. So from initial inquiry, let's find out what goes on behind the scenes from their fantastic facility here in Tampere, Finland.
I'm Arttu. I'm proposal manager in Fastems. My job is to support the sales. After we get the input from the customer, we collect a team and start working on it. After the inquiry, we collect a group of experts. We are checking the technical solution for the customer, and also we are trying to find the benefits for the customer, like the payback time, the production capacity, and whatever it takes. I want the customer to succeed in the market, and with our tools, for example the ROI calculation or the process capacity checking, we can manage that and we can help the customer.
That was Arttu, the proposal manager. Let's meet more of the extensive team that look at a project from different perspectives.
My name is Markus Taipale and I'm working as a solution architect in Fastems. So when we get the cases, I will be looking into automation capacities that it fits to the machine tools. What it means that I basically start to gather initial data from the customer, understanding a little bit of the production in a flexible way, and then I create the simulations to the sales guys or to the customers. It all starts with the customer data. And after I have a little bit understood the production itself, the production flow inside the cell and so on, I will start to look, is there enough loading stations, is there enough, let's say, robots or crane capacity that we can serve the machine tools. And then the other variables like other processes like washing process maybe, measuring process. So I create the flow of the part inside the system, and after that I will start to look what is the bottlenecks, how it works, how much automation we will need to fulfill the requirement of running the machine tool itself at full capacity and our control system way. I will create a flexible way of manufacturing the customer parts and needs so they can support the automation, and try to explain in the way that it's not first in, first out, and what is the difference, real difference in flexible manufacturing.
Next, let's find out how your project fits in your facility.
I'm Antti and I'm a layout designer, and I do the robot layouts, and I work closely with proposal managers and solution architects to ensure best possible solution for the customer. And basically I choose the most suitable robot by calculating the moments, and I choose other components like loading stations and so on. And with these components I put them as small space as possible, so it can easily fit in the customer's factory hall, and then I check that there is no collisions and the robot can reach everywhere it should. And finally I make sure that the layout is also extendable if necessary.
At Fastems, what we've learned is how much they want to hold your hand throughout the process, from the initial concept, design and build, and connectivity, so it's a seamless process when it's installed into your facility.
I'm Matti. I'm working as a solution architect from a software point of view, working in close collaboration with the customer, gathering their requirements, their interfaces to the background systems, and translating all that to workable features to our development teams. My target is to help the customer reach their full potential and make sure that their operators, production planners, everybody knows how the system works and can reach their full potential. So here at Fastems we have over 40 years of experience, and this helps us to understand the customer processes and improve them to the fullest potential.
assisting you throughout the lifetime of your project. You want to know that you're dealing with professionals with years of knowledge.
I'm software architect for the interfaces. I'm working in the interface development team, and our main goal is to ensure the flawless integration of the machine tools and other devices to our automation systems. We do this by maintaining and developing library interfaces for the machine tool and other devices, and also we are participating for the project development and project customizations. We have done interface already over 100 machine tool or device brands, so it gives us a great knowledge and experience, and so that we can integrate many different kind of device types. I'm the main contact for the machine tool builders and for the technical issues, and as said, we are doing close cooperation with them. These days, additional for the machine tools, customers want to integrate also other devices like washing machines, AGVs, measuring devices, tool presetters and devices like that. I'm the main contact for those interfaces as well, so I'm bringing everything together.
This is a company that has extensive experience in automated solutions, so rest assured you're in capable hands from conception all the way through to completion.